From space, Europe glows like one living network, cities pulsing, coasts shimmering, borders invisible. Yet in our heads, lines still divide us. Language walls that say you and me, not us. I want to show you how those walls dissolve. Welcome to the Mind Borders Project, Dr. Abdelaziz Bekkouche's proposed multilingual educational framework designed to turn language into a bridge. Picture a quiet map. Now watch as words light it up, forming constellations from Lisbon to Berlin, London to Lion. Lisbon, Berlin, London, Lion. Take one root form, English formation, French formation, former, to train, Spanish formar, to shape, German formieren, to form, arrange, same DNA, different accents. Follow the branches. Information, 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 information. Transform, transformer, transformar, transformieren. Reform, reformer, reformar, reformieren. Uniform, uniforme, uniforme, uniform. Formal, formel, formal, formal. One family, many doors. Now imagine learning that way, by families. Not 1,000 random words, but roots and their living networks revealed across English, French, Spanish, and German. You don't memorize a wall, you climb a tree. The Mind Borders project builds this tree into a complete learning journey. Phase 1, recognition. Spot the cognate signals. Tayen, sion, tayen, tayen, ment, ment, miento, al, al. Phase 2, mapping. Connect roots to meanings across languages with clean, dictionary-inspired visuals. Phase 3, activation. Speak and write through patterns, not panic. I see it like a neural network for words. A concept sparks in one language and fires in the others. You say formation, your mind lights up former, formieren. Suddenly, comprehension isn't translation, it's recognition. And this goes beyond Latin roots. German gifts us build into Bildung, formation through education. English build, French bâtir, Spanish construir, German bauen. Different roots, shared purpose. The framework teaches where paths converge and why. Cognitive science backs it. Patterns stick, context clarifies, spaced practice endures. With derivational families, your brain compresses complexity. It's not 4 vocab lists, it's one connected map. In classrooms and self-study, learners toggle subtitles, compare examples, and rehearse micro-stories built on families. Transform, transformation, transformative. Inform, informative, information. Reform, reformer, reformation. Each loop strengthens the bridge, because borders aren't just lines on maps, they're habits in our heads. When I learn across families, I don't just collect words, I feel the system. I recognize neighbors. This is the promise of the Mind Borders project by Dr. Abdelaziz Bekkouche, a proposed educational model to turn Europe's language mosaic into a shared, living grammar of ideas, efficient, elegant, and human. As the camera pulls back to that night-side Europe, the glowing threads no longer stop at borders, they braid. AB Languages Center, breaking mind borders through language.